Maserati has unveiled the MC20 Notte, the inaugural installment of its super sports car MC20, crafted for track racing and engineered to excel on the open road. The MC20 Notte Edition pays tribute to the audacious spirit that has consistently propelled the Trident brand forward, from its debut in one of the most iconic races in history. The MC20, signifying Maserati's return to its supercar origins, blending athleticism and opulence, now draws closer to its racing essence with the Notte Edition. This exclusive collection of 50 units worldwide draws its inspiration from the enigmatic and intense power of the night. It is a ferocious creation, designed to captivate and aesthetically elevate the already exceptional V6 Nettuno engine-driven performance. Drawing inspiration from the entrancing world of motorsport, Maserati's Fuoriserie team collaborated with Andrea Bertolini, a renowned Maserati reference driver and former GT1 world champion for the Trident brand. Together, they crafted the bodywork for the Maserati MC20 Notte. The exterior transforms from a lustrous black hue to a magnetic matte nero essenza, poised to radiate in the dark, thanks to Bertolini's expert touch, turning the details, the Trident emblem, side insignias, and the Maserati signature, from silver to matte white gold. This rekindles the brand's illustrious motorsport heritage. Gripped to the asphalt, the 20-inch matte black birdcage wheels are adorned with accents in matte white gold, while the brake calipers sport a sleek black finish. Inside, the MC20 Notte boasts 6-way power sport seats in Alcantara black/gray with striking yellow stitching. The unmistakable Trident insignia graces the headrests, and the Alcantara Sport steering wheel features carbon fiber inserts. An exclusive metal plaque, commemorating the Maserati MC20 Notte Edition, along with a distinct UNADI 50, 1 of 50, emblem, is affixed between the two headrests.